Welcome to the Outzap tutorial. Before we begin, make sure you have a compatible version of the Zoho CRM and a WhatsApp account. The compatible versions are Zoho CRM Enterprise, Ultimate, as well as the Zoho One and Zoho CRM Plus bundles. Admin permissions are required. You can use both WhatsApp Business and WhatsApp Professional editions. The WABA WhatsApp Business API is not required. Step number 1. Check the links on the description. Log into your CRM and install the extension according to your data center, such as US, the default one, Europe, Australia, Canada, and so on. Check the buttons to agree, and then continue. Here you can select for what user profiles you intend to install the extension. If you want to make it available for all users, check Install for all users. On the browser, visit the Chrome Web Store and search for Outzap. Proceed with the installation. After that, go to the WhatsApp web on the browser and reload the page. You will notice a few new icons in the WhatsApp web. Tip: if you need help with Outzap, you can click on the question mark to chat with one of our assistants. Click on the icon on the left panel and then log in using Zoho CRM. Choose your organization, which is usually the first one on the list or the only one, and accept the authorization. Now the Outzap is fully integrated with the Zoho CRM. The last step is to activate your subscription. Go to the Manage button and then Manage Subscription, and you will have the full features free to try for 15 days. No credit card required. And you're good to go.